Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a backup of your data on NUBIA Neo 3 5G. Okay, to create a backup we need to open up our settings. Once we are here we need to scroll down all the way until we find the system, and now on the bottom we have backup. Simply tap on that, and now when it comes to the backup details we need to make sure that photos and videos and other device data are turned on. Simply tap on them. If they are not turned on, you'll be able to do it. Right in here you have the backup, turn it on, and same thing with other device data, make sure it's enabled. Also down below we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into, and on that account in the cloud of it our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you are currently logged into. When it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things that will be backupped. Also, we need to make sure that we have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, you can click on clean up space and simply you can delete something. Okay, once everything is enabled, all we need to do is to hit this green button, backup now. The process will start, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, you can see that in here a circle appeared, and it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We also see a confirmation on the other device data. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, in my case the backup has been created, and just like I was saying, under other device data, we can see that the backup has been made 0 minutes ago. So that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Also, if you click on other device data, if you scroll down, you can see the backup details. And for example, we can see that 25 apps has been successfully copied. Also call history and device settings. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.